What an incredible value the Kono67 offers. Priced at just $62 on the APOS website, you're getting a hot swappable 65% layout RGB mechanical keyboard. And one of the standout features, the doubleshot PBT shine-through keycaps, which is a true favorite of mine. First, let's unbox this sleek device. The Kono67 comes fully assembled in a deep black or bright white finish. Inside, you'll find the keyboard with red or brown Kale switches and double-shot PBT keycaps, ready to go right out of the box. The version APOS sent me has the brown Kale switches. They also included this nice Bob Ross desk mat. Thank you, APOS. If you want to see a detailed video about different switch types, be sure to check out my video linked in the description outlining the differences and characteristics between red, blue, and brown mechanical keyboard switches. The Kono67 is all about personalization and comfort. It's evident in its double-shot PBT keycaps, plate-mounted stabilizers, and a steel plate with sound-absorbing foam. And if the red or brown Kale switch options don't quite match your taste, don't worry, the switches are hot swappable, giving you the freedom to easily swap them out for a switch that suits your preference. The double-shot PBT keycaps make a big difference. They feel nice on the fingertips, and most importantly, they never fade, and they don't get oily like the MX Mechanical does. They have even figured out a way to allow the backlight to shine through the keycap letter cutouts, which is a slight advantage over the Keychron's K3 Pro double-shot PBT keycaps. Man, that's a mouthful. I like that they used a plastic outer housing and focused on the steel plate with the sound-absorbing foam. In my opinion, that adds much more value to the typing experience than a metal outer housing does. The Kono67 has hot swap sockets, which means you can easily swap out switches without any soldering. This is perfect if you want to customize your typing experience with different switches for specific keys. It does take a bit of time and you need a few tools, a keycap puller and a switch puller, which is included in the box. And of course, like all decent wireless keyboards nowadays, the Kono67 has multi-device pairing. You can connect 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.0 and switch between them effortlessly. Plus, it includes a 2.4 GHz USB-A receiver for even more connectivity options. And check this out, a built-in volume knob for quick and easy audio control. Whether you need to crank up the volume, mute instantly, or pause your music, it's all at your fingertips. Customization is key with the Kono67. Using the Kono67 keyboard utility software, you can personalize your layout and lighting on a per-key basis. Create custom macros, set animated or static lighting effects, and save multiple profiles for different uses. However, this feature only seems to be available for Windows users because I could not download the software on my Mac. The keyboard works with my MacBook, but the key layout is for Windows, and I do not see any other options available. Let's quickly go over the highlights. It's a 65% compact design with hot swap switch sockets, RGB lighting with shine-through keycaps, multi-device Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz connectivity, a built-in volume dial, customizable with Kono67 software, north-facing LEDs for uniformed backlighting. And if you're looking to swap out the switches, it supports both 5-pin and 3-pin switches. The Kono67 has a 2400 mAh battery, which is rechargeable via USB-C. If you're going to be using this keyboard with a USB-C cable plugged into your computer anyway, then you won't have to worry about the battery. So if you're looking for a versatile, high-quality keyboard and you're a Windows user, the Kono67 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.